Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing an awesome 2021 Hot Wheels. This is the 71 Plymouth Roadrunner in this awesome retro-styled Tampo design. This is from the Muscle Mania series for 2021, number 3 of 10, and number 209 of 250 on the year for 2021. I really like the look of this 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. I love the wheels, love the retro-styled tampos, and I love the color too. I love everything about this casting. GTB42 is the number from L case, and custom striped muscle cars that look good racing or driving around town. And this is the Muscle Mania description. It's number 3 of 10 from that series for 2021. I got another one of these. I liked it so much I got 2 of them. One to open and one to keep in the packaging. Let's see what this one's all about. Probably not quite a clean open, but I already got a brand new one of the packaging, so this one has great spinning wheels. I have to tell you that right now. Great spinning wheels on our 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. And I love the blue color. It's like a deep blue color we got on this one. And we got red and yellow striping. That's what it looks like on camera, at least. It says Plymouth right there. You can see on that rear fender. It says it in black on a yellow background. And you can see that detail there. These are RSW wheels, retro slot wheels, and detailed door handles. This is a very cool American muscle car. You can see that right there, the black interior, and some tampos there, red and yellow striping. RSW wheels on this one. I love these kind of wheels. They debuted in the mainline in 2020, but they were used on the cool classics in the 2000s. And beautiful headlights there on our beautiful Plymouth Roadrunner. You can see that beautiful casting. I love this casting, love it a lot. Very cool indeed. Here's a nice look at it. I got this on my Dollar General when it was new, when the L case was out. I think there were a couple more cases out before it. I think the N case was out, which was the newest case back then. But 2021, it looks like this was retooled. Maybe this came out earlier because it has an older toy number on it. With 1 letter and 4 numbers, that means it's probably like early 2000s as far as the casting is concerned. Well, anyways, thank you for tuning in and watching me open up this beautiful 71 Plymouth Roadrunner from the 2021 Hot Wheels Muscle Mania series. Please subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.